Hi, good morning to everybody. Myself Ajay Bhartiya from MAHAVIR Classes. Today we are going to learn trigonometry. Actually, many students scared about just listening that trigonometry. But why? And really, it is too much difficult for students that how they feel. But according to me, it's not possible to scared about this. So what is trigonometry? Okay, we can understand that trigonometry is dependent on a triangle. Okay, and again, it's something special maths that you can most important for the 11th and 12th science. Actually, we can say that for engineering, it's a basic thing that are trigonometry. So first trigonometry, just we are starting here from a what it say that proven. Okay, how to prove that given trigonometric ratios. Like first of all, to learn that we have to understand the formula of trigonometry. So you just write down that this all formula, and we learn a specific and particular way that is too much easy to learn how to prove trigonometric ratios. Okay, so first we have to inverse formula. Okay, or you also say that reciprocal formula. Reciprocal formula. Okay, like we know that sine is a reciprocal of a cosec, so we can write here sine theta is equal to 1 upon cosec theta. So as usual you can write that cosec theta is equal to 1 upon sine theta, but we take it later. Then cos theta is equal to 1 upon sec theta, and tan theta is equal to 1 upon cot theta. So this is a basic formula. Now you can also write like this. If cosec theta, you can say that if cosec theta is equal to what, then cosec, this is cross multiplication here. So cosec theta is equal to 1 upon sine theta. So I think you can do this, that sec theta is equal to 1 upon cos theta, and cot theta is equal to 1 upon tan theta. Just you take a half an hour to learn this, and really I say that it's too much easy to prove all the trigonometric ratios or riders which is depending on a trigonometric ratios. Okay, so this is reciprocal formula. Only 6 reciprocal formula is there, and it takes I think hardly 30 minutes to learn. Then special formula from my side, I say that it's a special formula. It is not special formula for others, but I say that it's a special formula. And that those are here sine theta, tan theta is equal to sine theta upon cos theta, and cot theta is equal to, we know that tan and cot are reciprocal to each other, right? So if you write here tan theta is equal to sine upon cos, that means what? You have to write sine upon cos because both are reciprocal to each other. So cos theta upon sine theta. Clear? So this is extra 2 formulas that you can apply all in sums. And third point is, it's important for proven that identities. Actually we have just 3 identities, but we can use as 9 identities all from that 3 identities. Which one? First, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Okay, then 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta, and 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta. But I warn you that in sum, that is not directly you can put that sin square plus cos square is equal to 1. It may be here sin square theta is equal to this cos square, just change the side, then we get here 1 minus cos square theta, and also you can write that cos square theta is equal to what? Sin square theta, change the side, so we get a 1 minus sin square theta. Okay, so it may be you can use this formula also, sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square. So just I think this is main formula, and you can derive this all formula from this main formula, right? So as it is, you can use here like this. If one change the side of 1, then we get sec square minus 1. You have to write here that sec square theta minus 1 is equal to tan square theta. Okay, and as usual, you can write here sec square minus 1 is equal to tan square. So as it is, if change the side of tan square, then sec square minus tan square is equal to 1. Sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. Okay. So don't bother this about those formulas. Why? If you learn this, you can easily derive this. Just thinking about one or 2 seconds. Then just you write what you write here. Think about and write down in your notebook. What? Cosec square minus 1 is equal to cot square theta, right? If you change the side of 1, then cosec square minus 1 is equal to cot square theta. And if you change the side of cot square theta, then cos square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. Okay, so today we learn about the formula of a trigonometry. It's a basic trigonometric identities of trigonometries, right? So we can apply all these formula in a proof. Okay, so I think you have to take a time and just learn this. Then I saw that how can you apply this in a numericals. But first of all, I think it's a too much easy thing that any student can ask now, okay, how is a trigonometric ratios or trigonometric proof? And they said, yes, this is too much difficult. But I promise that I promise to you that if you follow me about this formula, it's a too much easy way. But for that, you have to think about little. It's a too much little sum, and then we take a step and we can see that it's a too much easy how to prove that proof of a trigonometric ratios. Thank you so much.